What's up guys, how's it going? As you can tell, I have a new bike behind me. Usually I've been working on my Grom, but today I'll be working on my R3. So I just ordered some slider pegs off of Amazon. They are the Shogun frame slider pegs. So I'll make sure to leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. Okay, so your first step is going to be to remove this bolt right over here. If you look closely, you'll see a triangle. There will be 1, 2, and 3 bolts. The one that you're going to be removing is the one on the bottom. So once you get that removed, then you can go ahead and move on to the next steps. Once you've finished taking out the bolt, step 1, then you can move on to step 2, which is installing the slider. All right, so first you're going to want to put the bolt with the washer into the slider. Then you're going to go ahead and take your socket with extension and place it up to your bike. Start to slowly screw it in. Now the good thing about these frame sliders is that they will work with the R25, R3, R6, and R1, so the whole entire R series, which is nice. Me personally, I went with the carbon ones because I thought they just looked a little bit nicer. And if I do ever want to upgrade my bike, I would be able to take them off and put them on an R6 or an R1, for example. So once you have finished this side, go ahead and do the other side. If you have got the carbon version like I have, they will offer you an end plate to go ahead and put on also, which will take 5 Allen screws. So go ahead and install those, and then you're done. So once you get both sides done, you're ready to go and hit the road. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. See you next week.